How's it going, everyone? Here's my Electronics One power supply project. It's going to be based off the schematic I built here in LT Spice. And as you're going to be able to see, I didn't end up getting a transformer. So basically what I did is I cut this portion off of the schematic and attached a DC input of 15 volts just from here to here in order to test that this portion of the circuit works. So coming over here, you can see that we have the Zener diode, we have the op amp, we have the two transistors, they're NPN transistors. This is going to be the feedback resistor for the current limiting, this one. And then this is going to be the potentiometer that we're going to change in order to vary the output. And then here's our 5K R load. And then here's the remnants of the bridge rectifier from when I tried to have it work without a transformer. It didn't end up working, spoiler alert. But here we go. So as we turn this on here, turn on 15 volts. And currently the way that it is, it's set up at 2 volts outputting across the 5K resistor. And as we start rotating this potentiometer, you will see that the voltage starts increasing. And you'll notice that the voltage output is supposed to be from 5 volts to 10 volts. Although this design that I've built only ranges from 2 volts to 4 volts. And my theory on that is that the transistors that I'm using are only rated for 200 milliamps, where oh, come on now. This takes a little bit of coordination to get this potentiometer rotated this many times. But here we go. You can see the voltage is climbing as I'm increasing this resistance value. Keep going, keep going. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, here we go. Keep going, keep going. And like I said, the only reason that it goes from 2 volts to 4 volts and not 5 volts to 10 volts is because I think the transistors are just limiting the whole circuit because they're only rated for 200 milliamps and not 500 milliamps like they are in my schematic. So here we go, we're almost there. Keep rotating, keep rotating. And this is about the peak voltage that I'm able to get with this current, or this circuit that I built. As you can see, it's probably gonna cap out right there. And you saw earlier that when it was sitting at 2 volts, that was the minimum it was able to go, and it wouldn't go any lower than that, so it was being current limited. But yeah, there's my power supply design, and hopefully it looks good and works. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hope you enjoyed.